Dr. Bhaskar and Dr. Anuradha, both having finished the surgery, talking while having breakfast in the evening. Dr. Bhaskar.
Today's surgery was very difficult, but Incision's German quality instruments made every cut perfect, smooth and precise.
Oh wow! I also use Incision instruments, but mine are Indian quality instruments. The cut is as precise as a laser. And a 1-year warranty.
Maid Archana asks while mopping.
So both of you are fans of Incision.
Of course, German quality, ultra smooth, high precision.
Every cut is buttery smooth. That's it with Incision instrument.
It seems you both are happier than the patient.
Yes, because of German quality 2-year warranty, peace of mind.
Indian quality, 1-year warranty, full satisfaction.
Incision instruments, German or Indian, the quality is absolutely top class.
Incision instruments, precision with perfection. Choose Incision instruments, where quality meets innovation in every surgical tool. Perfect blend of strength, style, and surgical excellence.